about YouTube picture-in-picture mode and how it's activated. YouTube is undoubtedly the most used and popular video streaming platforms out there. What makes it more reliable is that the developer Google has incorporated numerous features over the years to amplify users' video watching experience. With that, YouTube has become more flexible, allowing users to navigate through the app and stream videos as per their preferences. Yet the most demanded feature which YouTube users have been seeking is the YouTube picture-in-picture mode, which has equipped users with unleashed multitasking. Interested to know more about YouTube picture-in-picture? Keep an eye on what we're about to say. So what is YouTube picture-in-picture mode? Well, the PIP mode on YouTube allows users to keep watching videos while surfing the internet, navigating through other apps, scrolling through their social networking profiles, or doing whatever pleases them. If you're the one who loves to play videos on YouTube while simultaneously indulging in other stuff on the internet, YouTube's picture-in-picture mode could be the most befitting to cater for your multitasking needs. Here's how to enable YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your Android and iPhone. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. Tap on General, the second option from the top. Now tap the slider of picture-in-picture. The slider will turn blue from gray when enabled. Now you're all set to multitask while watching YouTube videos. And even if you leave the YouTube app, the videos will play in a little box appearing on your screen all the time. This box can be moved around the entire screen on top of other apps or a different interface. You can also minimize or maximize the size of this box as you please. Here's how to use YouTube picture-in-picture mode on desktop. Using this picture-in-picture mode on a browser gets more convenient as you don't need to install a third-party app or extension in your browser, not neglecting their existence. Here are the steps to enjoy picture-in-picture feature on your PCs or desktop computers. First, open any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge in your computer. Then navigate to youtube.com. Play anything you want. Now in the middle of the video box, right-click 2 times on different spots. There you'll see the picture-in-picture option among many others. Just tap on it and you're done.